George MGR Performance here. So this is the cylinder head Promaxx 260 with my hand ported. As you can see, this is it's all rough finish. We made almost 700 horsepower naturally aspirated with a 416 cubic inch aluminum block, hydraulic roller camshaft. And I did the exhaust flow before, which I didn't work on the exhaust. I just worked on the intake port. The exhaust didn't do that great, but the intake is pretty good. And the numbers from that bench to this bench, they're actually pretty close. We're still on the bigger bore size 4180 fixture. I'm at 625 lift. After that, it kind of bucks out. Let's see what it does at 625 lift. Let's look at the numbers. 82 at 100, 162.5 at 200, 230.5 at 300, 285 at 4, 326 at 5, 355, 5 at 6, 625 goes 362, then it bucks out 355, 354, 354, 349, 345. Now, let's see if we can compare the numbers to my hand ported. You're gonna have to look at the other video, but my hand ported ls3 goes 370. So, and this is Super Mario, my partner, A1.
A1.
George MGR Performance. Take it for what it is. This one is this is the cylinder head. It's kind of very aggressive, my finish. It goes 363 CFM, and the numbers are pretty much identical to that bench over there. And believe it or not, when it came out of the box, it was struggling to go past 330 and change. Thanks very much. Hit a like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that. I might smoothen out the short turn and see if I can get these numbers continue to climb. But I don't know if you could see. Rough all the way blended to the top angle of the valve job. Since I'm gonna do the valve job again, and I'm gonna open up the throat, we're gonna have to rework that section. George MGR Performance, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Hit a like and subscribe.